Hello and welcome to my HTML tutorial for beginners series. If you are new here, feel free to check out the complete playlist linked in the description. In today's lesson, I will show you the footer tag. This block HTML element is used to indicate a footer and has both opening and closing tags. The content that usually goes inside it is, for example, copyright information, links to related documents, links to social media profiles, contact information, sitemap, and a back to top link. Here is an example of a footer I found on a UK railway company's website. As you can see, on the top left of the footer, it has links to related documents that allow users to navigate to different pages that might be of interest to them. On the top right, you see their logo and the logos of other companies they are associated with. Then at the bottom left, you have copyright and legal information. Finally, at the bottom right, you have links to their social media profiles. You can have more than one footer in a document. Usually, each website will have one at the bottom of the page nested inside the body tag. But you can also add it to other sections, for example, inside article tags to indicate information relating to the author of the content. If you include contact information inside a footer element, it is recommended that you add this inside address tags, as the address tag is used to contain the contact information of a person or a company. Note, however, that the footer tag cannot be nested inside an address, header, or another footer tag. Let's implement an example together. Here I have an empty page with only the head section and empty body tags. First, I am adding the header tag at the top of the body to include my site name. Then I am adding a main tag which will contain an article. The article will be about coding best practices. I am creating the H1 and some paragraphs of content. Let's say this is a guest post by John Doe. I want to give credit to him, and I also want readers to be able to contact him. So at the bottom of the article, I can add my first footer. In this, I will include his name and I will link to his email. If you specify the href attribute of a link to mail to, and then the email address, it will, based on your settings, open up your email program so you can easily send an email to the email address provided in the link, in this case to johndoe@example.com. Below the ending article and ending main tag, I will then add another footer that relates to my website. I will only add a line for the copyright and the fake address to keep the example simple. Let's save it and open the document in the browser. And here is the final result. This is it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. You can check out my other HTML tutorials by clicking on the link in the description. If you like this video, please subscribe. In the next video, I will cover the span element. Thanks for watching and see you next time.